Alright, so this is going to be a 99 Ranch Market item review of the Phoenix egg rolls. Okay, so has some more of these Chinese characters. If you know what it says, let us know. Okay, same thing as the other one. If you watch that other one, 110 grams. Packaging looks exactly the same. The expiration date is not here, so we can't tell if it's expired like the other one.
Wait,
Maybe.
I think
oh, here it is. There it is. Okay, this one's March 9th, 2024, so we got some time left before it goes bad.
Yay!
Here are the ingredients. Wheat flour, sugar, egg. Oh, and stop. Wheat flour, sugar, egg, shortening, which is soybean oil, vitamin E, food additives, mono and diglycerides of fatty acids, artificial flavor, soybean lecithin, sorbitan, monooleate, sucrose, fatty acid, ester, beta carotene, water, food additives, compound colorant, beta carotene, soybean oil, tertiary butyl. I can't read that. Oh, that's what TBHQ stands for.
THQ.
Okay, contains wheat, soybean, and egg. Here you go. And the nutrition facts: 10 servings per container. One pack is 11 grams, 50 calories per pack. 1.5 grams of fat, 2% saturated fat, 1 gram, 5%, 5 milligrams of cholesterol, 2%, sodium, 25 milligrams, 1%, carbs, 8 grams, 3%, 2 grams of sugar, which includes less than 1 gram of added sugar, 1%, so that's like half a gram, right? Then protein, 1 gram, because on all the other packagings, 1 gram of added sugar is 2%, so. All right, and there you go. More QR codes and UPC codes.
Time to give it a try.
And again, they have this terrible packaging where this does nothing. Like, you can't look how it doesn't even tear on the things.
It's very. Why would they do that?
Like, why even put that? They glued where the thing is, so it's not even possible to tear it on that.
Well, it's their fault.
Okay,
it's
let's
their
open
fault,
this.
not our fault.
It's their fault, not our fault. Okay, so this is what they look like.
Time to eat.
I'm gonna open multiple. What if you go again? Then I'm gonna eat over it. Since 1773, so this company existed for a very long time.
I hope it's not broken.
Okay, you want to show them what it looks like?
Yeah.
The packaging, you can tear it down along the sharp edges. Uh-oh, it's exploded. We need a new one.
Well, I'm gonna give it a try.
That shows your packaging. You might end up with broken ones. Let's see.
Delicious.
Delicious? Okay, do I need to open another one? Don't step on it. How are the crumbs? They taste good or do they taste crummy?
It's like any other
egg roll. Okay. And what we mean is the egg roll cookies, not egg rolls like the kind that you eat with meat and vegetables in it. Okay? So here's what it looks like. It looks less, there's some egg rolls that have like bigger like holes on the outside. Yeah, it's very similar to all the other ones. And it must be really good because Owen just took 2 whole ones and left us with the crumbs. So, you want another one or you're good just tasting it? Okay, it's very good. It tastes like those other egg roll cookie crackers. I feel the texture of it though is smoother. It does, like, some of them have more like rough texture on the outside.
That's true.
This is a lot smoother, and when you eat it, it has more like
Eggy.
mush. Like it turns to egg mush, not like the other one where it's more like powdery, crumbly. But it does also crumble. So that's pretty much it.
Okay.
Good taste, good flavor.
Very
Thanks for
eggy.
watching.
Wait,
Very
guys.
eggy, and yeah.
Guys,
So basically,
to-
if you take egg, add some sugar, blend it up, and then make it completely crispy like a cracker, that's what you get. It's very good. Sweet eggs, people don't think
Guys,
about
rate
that,
it.
but it's good. You use them in cakes and stuff. Yeah.
Rate it out of 10.
Rated out of 10. I'll give it a. I like these kinds, so I'll give it a 9.
Very delicious.
I'll give it a 7.5.
I will give it. 15.
I guess there's a lot of ways you can go up
Maybe
from there,
I
so
would give
sure.
it
Okay, fine,
15.
8. Because there's a lot of
15.
other better stuff. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys later.
15.5.
15.5 out of what? 20?
No,
Out of 100? Out of 10? Okay, he likes it so much he rated it more than 100%. and he ate 2 of them. All right, see you guys later.